Bhagavad Gita, lifestyle changes and creates peace and harmony in the universe.
Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 7, Gnana Vijnana Yoga, Knowledge of Absolute.
Text 19. Bahunanam janma namante gnanavan ma prapadyate vasudeva sarvamiti sa mahatma sudarlabha. After many births of spiritual practice, one who is endowed with knowledge surrenders unto me, knowing me to be all that is. Such a great soul is indeed very rare. अनेक जन्म की आध्यात्मिक साधना के पश्चात जिसे ज्ञान प्राप्त हो जाता है, वहाँ मुझे सबका उत्तम जानकर मेरी शरण ग्रहण करता है. ऐसी महान आत्मा वास्तव में अत्यंत दुर्लभ होती है. ఎన్నో జన్మల ఆధ్యాత్మిక సాధన తరువాత జ్ఞాన సంపన్నుడైన వ్యక్తి ఉన్నదంతా నేనే అని తెలుసుకొని నాకు శరణాగతి చేస్తాడు. అటువంటి మహాత్ముడు నిజముగా చాలా అరుదు. ప్రాక్టికల్ అప్లికేషన్స్. The spiritual knowledge cannot be obtained in one birth. It is the knowledge acquired through many births. After that, he will realize many spiritual activities for the transcendental path. Then he realizes the Supreme Lord is the mercy of all. He is the cause of all causes, and material world is purely dependent on him. Everything is related to him. It is we should identify the relationship like senses are meant for him. One who identifies such methods always be happy and sees the advancement of spiritual growth in each step. If the senses are not used for the Lord, the birth of human life is useless and meaningless. प्रभुपाद की जय. हरे कृष्णा.